Hey guys, Rick here, back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a drop like Matroda and Loge21. We're going to be remaking the track Raise 'em Up, so the final result will sound like this.
Raise 'em up.
So if you want all the presets, make sure to check bass from 4 down below. You'll find all the presets from this remake and 40 more other presets in the style of Matroda and Loge21. So other presets are quite complex ones, so we're not gonna make it from scratch, but I'm gonna guide you through the sounds. So let's start off with the drums. We have the simple kick and clap. It's a kick sampled from a Matroda track. So for the first section we have 3 patches. This bass step, sub bass, and the down pitching kind of lead. So let's start off with the sub. It's an 808 kind of sound, so we got an analog sine with a pitch envelope right into the master tuning, the filter cutoff, and the noise to add some more punch to it. There is some simple tube distortion and some EQing to boost the low ends, nothing too crazy around there. Then I have this bass step, which is the same bass as we used in the Matroda remake. So basically we only use the evil sweep in the digital sounds, sounding like this. Added loads of unisons to make it more gritty. Lower down an octave. Then we put quite some effects on it. So some distortion, some hyperdimension, a comps filter that really adds some more grittiness to the sound, and then the main elements of the bass is the OT that really clips and distorts the sound, really give it a distorted kind of sound to it. So together with the sub, it sounds like this. Then we only need to make the leads. There's just one note that's pitching down. Snare is from a sine wave. We got an FO1 with a rate that's slowing down. So the FO1 is routed to the filter, the first oscillator. Second one, we're using for FM modulation just to add some more siren kind of feel to it. So the key element of the sound is just to put the LFO to parameters at the level, cutoff, and pitch. And then make a longer LFO and route it to the rate of the first LFO. Then you got these kind of sounds. So together the first section sounds like this. So now we're gonna dive into the second part of the drum, sounding like this. So as you can see, we have this reverse kick, which really sucks into the second part. Then we have a different sub bass with quite some more resonance to the top end of the bass, because the lead sound is a bit less present, sounding like this. And then we have this bass fill to fill up the gap. So let's start off with a sub bass. We used that in previous remakes as well. So as you can see, it's a saw rounded to square, just to get some more character from it than a regular sine wave. We used FO1 to shape the level of it and the filter. We gave it quite some attack. Besides that, the filter has quite some resonance. As you can hear, this will add some more top end to the sound. Besides that, we add some drier fatness. And then the real secret in the bass line is the downsample distortion. This really gives the top end to the sound. So quite a simple patch. Then we have the lead sound, which basically are 2 saw waves, one with a remap. As you can hear, this quietly changes the sound. Then we have the envelope shape like this, a little bit of sustain to let it fade out a bit more. We also added a second saw with 7 unisons, quite detunes, and FMs from Auster B. Could be FMs a little bit more about. Just one here sounds fine. You have the filter with envelope 1 to the cutoff. So that really controls the top end of the sound, really makes it more punchy. Besides that, we add some drive and some effects. So without effects, it sounds like this, so it sounds quite dull. First some hyperdimension to add some more dimension to the sound, make it a bit wider. Then some chorus, some OTT to really open up the sound, cut off some lows, boost the highs a little bit, and some reverb and delay to give more room. So we have this right now. So with the bass fill enabled, it sounds like this. So the real key to these tracks are the sound design. Besides that, the drums are fairly simple, mixing isn't that complicated, so that's it for the Matroda kind of style drop. So if you like the video, please leave a like, see more and the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in next videos.